Now that you have your attention grabber copied and pasted down below in your introduction at the start of it, we're going to copy and paste our information from our topic 1 that we collected and then put it in our own words or paraphrase. So students will paraphrase the background information they gathered in topic 1, put it in your own words to write the introduction section of your project. Number 2, students will give credit to where they gathered the information from using an in-text citation and use Scribner to create their references page using APA. So this slide just shows some examples of things you can do to paraphrase, and it talks about them in the video, that you can replace individual words with synonyms, you can reword phrases, you can copy and paste a quote, flip the sentence, take the end of the sentence and move it to the beginning, or change connector or transition words. Going back to the quote, sometimes you don't want to change it and you just have to give credit to where you got the information from. So then you watch this Ed puzzle on how to paraphrase. Now to start paraphrasing, please copy and paste your introduction slides with subtopics. There will be 3 of them with information from topic 1 into this presentation. Then you will be paraphrasing the original slide into your own words. Put this information on the slide below it. So at the end, you have 2 slides for each subtopic. One will have your original information that you copy and pasted, and the second new slide will have your subtopic information all written in your own words. So to do that, so here's the slide where it's marked for the unparaphrased introduction. You can go to your topic 1, which here's the introduction from topic 1. I highlight and copy this then into topic 2. And I don't need, and that's pretty small, so I'm going to make it a little bigger. If you have trouble with the copying and pasting of it, you can come to me and I could copy and paste it for you on my device. So anyway, you just do this for all 3 of your introduction slides, and then the one below it is the real actual introduction. So this one here will get put down here, only it'll be paraphrased in your own words. So you'll have 6 of them, but only the one that says introduction is the one you're then going to use. You can then copy and paste this into your introduction template if you would like.